Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought we were due for a catch up, maybe like a life update. I don't even know. Basically, just like a big recap of what's been happening this entire month. I feel like I haven't sat here and talked to y'all in a hot minute. I haven't posted a vlog in a hot minute. And so much happened this month that I vlogged here and there. It was very difficult for me to keep up with everything that was happening and to remember to vlog it and do like an actual good quality vlog. So today I thought I would sit down and do kind of like a recap of life lately. Low-key, I don't even know where to start because it has been so busy, and I wouldn't even call it chaotic. It's just unorganized, like the footage that I have for the past few months. Obviously it was Olivia's birthday, so I want to start with that because it was so much fun. Days before her birthday, like her actual birthday was on a Tuesday and her party was the same week but on Saturday. Days before her birthday, my husband was sick, and he's like, no, I'm not like actually sick, like I just like have a cold, or he said like I feel weak or whatever. He was definitely lying. He was sick. Literally the day of her birthday and the day before, we spent in bed sick, and it was really sad, but also it was really cute because Olivia is so energetic and loves to, you know, run around and do things and play with the dogs that she doesn't really like cuddle too much with us. And I'm also someone that's like go, so I don't like ever nap, sit and chill. Can you tell? Because we were both sick at the exact same time. Like I said, it was super sad. I never want to see her sick again. But it was so cute because she was so cuddly and she was with me the whole time, and we would nap together, and it was just so cute. Like obviously it wasn't what I imagined for her first birthday, but the fact that she was just with me like uninterrupted for like 48 hours was adorable, and it just made me appreciate my healthy baby so much. I keep knocking on my desk because I keep getting the worst TikToks that are just bringing me so much anxiety, but I'm just so grateful to God and just everything. Like she's just so perfect. I'm just so proud of her every single day. I could cry, and maybe I will, but she's just my perfect baby, and I'm just like so obsessed with her and her personality. She's just so funny and silly, and just I love her so much. Thankfully, Olivia and I were only sick and down for the count for like 2 days, and after she was starting to feel better, I gave her the smash cake that I DIY'd. I wanted to make it a little bit healthier. It definitely looks interesting and not like a piñata at all, but she loved trying it, and she tried a little bit of frosting, a little bit of cake, and it was just really cute to see. It was very emotional the entire month, to be honest. It was really hard for me to see her turn 1, and all of a sudden, like the day after she turned 1, y'all, I swear she looks completely different. She looks like a straight up toddler. So I was extremely emotional, and it was just so sweet seeing her eat her little cake and just be so happy, especially after seeing her, you know, sick and down for those 2 days. So it was really sweet. I had this whole idea in my head that I was gonna do an entire vlog, and I was gonna be like, you know, very put together, and my brother was gonna vlog the whole thing. And not only was I too stressed out like leading up to it, doing things, hosting people, family was here helping and all that, so I wasn't gonna pull out a camera. I wanted to show you guys the days leading up to it, how we prepped, how we decorated, all that good stuff, and then the footage that I took from all the decorations that we put together. I also have to give a shout out to my husband's family. They were so incredible. They always are, and they really help us, me and my best friend, with all the decorations, putting things together. The day of, they cooked. They're just amazing. So let me show you guys Olivia's first fiesta. Today we are doing all the prep for Olivia's birthday. We are 2 days out. Katie's here. Our room is looking like a mess. We are starting on the balloon garland, and I will let you guys know how it goes. We have the inflatable machine. I don't have much faith in myself, but I have a lot of faith in Katie. So we'll see. Okay, y'all, this is the progress. The room is still looking like a party city, but it looks so good. So we didn't really have like any specific formula. We just took this little string. I'll show y'all. This little string that came with the balloon arches, or the balloon garland kits. And then we're just tying them in kind of little clusters.
So these are 2 different balloon listings from Amazon, but there's 3 in total that I bought. So this is one of them, and this is the other. Okay, this is where we're at right now. Trying to put this table together, and we just did the first Fiesta thing. We're just missing the 1-year one, but we'll do that in a bit, and then trying to get a move on with everything else. Okay, so I wanted to show you all the inside. We decided to put this here because it's obviously super hot outside. So we have all the little desserts. They're so cute. I guess it would be cousins-in-laws, maybe. They helped out and I appreciate it so much. They made it all cute and brought a ton of things from Mexico. And we have those. Y'all, look at this cake. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm obsessed. She did exactly what I asked for. I will link the bakery that I use down below. I will link her Instagram. It's just so beautiful. I'm obsessed. And then the cookies, I don't want to talk about it. And we have these cupcakes just for more sweets. And I got the little, as I was saying, the cupcakes are just like for extra, like chocolate and vanilla. And then I got the little toppers from Amazon. They came in like the cutest, like 60 pack for $12. So great. And then up here, we DIY'd this using table runners from the dollar store. And we have Olivia's monthly thing. I feel like you can't really see it, but it's fine. Oh, she's so cute. And then I also got this from Amazon. It just says my first Fiesta. It's a little crooked, but you know, it's fine. And then I also got this serape thing from Amazon. And then let me show you outside. Okay, so this is what we have right now. I got those. Oh god, it's so humid. You'll see that. Give me a sec. Okay, so we have just a ton of tables. We're getting some more. We have another canopy thing over there. And then this is what Katie and I did. Oh, I hate that it's humid. Hold on. I don't really know how to fix it. So this is a garland we did also with Amazon balloon kits, and then this actually goes against this wall. We just tried to hide it because it wasn't very pretty. Then the flowers I also got from Amazon that I did with y'all, and then Dante DIY'd. Oh, I hate that this is happening. Hold on. When they move this back up, I'll show you guys the rest, but Dante DIY'd the arches, and we're just gonna, you know, take pics in front. And then we have the drinks right here, another kind of garland, and they're setting up the bouncy house right now, so I'll show you guys that. But we have lemonade, watermelon, cups, margaritas obviously, and then sangria. So I will update you guys. The humidity is so intense right now, you probably can't even see me, but I'm ready. I'm wearing this from Revolve. I literally couldn't think of an outfit, and this dress is comfy. Oh my god. But look, nope, you can't see. Okay, great. I guess I will vlog today. Okay, real quick, bouncy house is here. All the things are done. Again, I don't know if you can see. I need to find Olivia because she looks precious.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Yay, Olivia, yay.
Mami. Oh,
yay. Smile. Are you on your horse or whatever that? Yay. Yay. So pretty.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Happy birthday to you. Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David. Hoy por ser tu cumpleaños te las cantamos a ti. Despierta, Olivia, despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Ya los pajarillos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Olivia,
So not only was this the first party we've ever hosted ever, but also it was the first party in our house. It was also obviously our first baby turning 1, so it was like a lot of learning as we went. I'm not gonna lie, I was extremely stressed out the entire month, I would say, because I felt a lot of pressure for things to go perfect. But the party itself was super fun. I tried, you know, to like keep up with everyone and talk to everyone and just like be present. So I literally have no content. The pictures that I have and the videos are from before the party, but it was so much fun. I'm so happy and grateful that so many people came from near and far to celebrate Olivia, and she was so happy. At one point she had just woken up for her oh my god, she had just woken up from her nap, and I brought her downstairs and everyone started cheering and she started crying. It was so cute. You can see her like in all the pictures like progressively get more tired, but she's such a social butterfly and such a people person, so she loved the attention. She just loved it, so it just made me so happy. The best thing we did though, and I know like in a few years we're gonna be so happy we did it, y'all, I got this notebook from Target, and I think I shared in my prepping for the party video, I did this like poster on Procreate. I printed it out at Walgreens, and it was write a letter for Olivia when she turns 18. And it was the cutest thing ever. Huge shout out to Allison for letting me borrow her Polaroids. We got like Polaroid cameras, and people would just write her a letter or well wishes or a prediction or anything like that, and then next to what they wrote we put their picture. That way she can see who they were, what they looked like at that point. And at one, I could cry. Like I was sitting with my friends and I turned around and I see Dante's aunt crying because she was writing Dante's grandma's letter to Olivia, and I could cry. I haven't looked at anything, it's for Olivia, but I just think it's just such a sweet thing. So if any of you have a birthday coming up for your kids, I don't think it matters if it's their first birthday or their 20th. Like, it's such a cute idea. I cannot take credit for it. I saw it on Etsy. I don't even know who came up with it, but I swear to God, everyone loved it. Everyone loved writing it. I'm sure Olivia, when she's 18, will love reading all those things, and it was such a sweet thing to do that costs like literally no money. So I highly recommend trying that out if you have a party coming up. But yeah, so Olivia's party was amazing, a little bit stressful, but all parties are. The rain, so I was gonna mention that in the intro. It's been raining non-stop in Houston. Like every single day it's been raining. Right now it's raining, and that is a problem because our house has flooded 4 freaking times. I don't know if it's just we didn't have the knowledge, we didn't have the resources, I don't even know, but I feel like every single person that we've hired has screwed us over in some way, shape, or form, which is so disappointing because when we first started working with this company for the concrete and the foundation that we were pouring in the backyard, they were so professional, so amazing, and then just things slowly started going wrong, and then at the end the foundation, I guess, is not leveled, and all that water is coming in to our house, and it hadn't rained until now, so it's been months since it happened. The person in charge is kind of like sort of refusing to take any accountability for it, so that really sucks. But Dante got these bags from Home Depot to keep the water from coming in, and it was working up until now, so now I'm very scared. The other thing is I've been doing F45, not last week because of the party, but I've been doing it and I love it. It's such a good workout. It really motivates me, and I've been doing things that I never thought I could even do, you know, like slowly but surely you see yourself becoming like a little bit stronger after every workout, and you know, maybe wanting to get like more heavy weights, and it's just really cool. I'm not even doing it to lose weight or anything like that, but it's been really amazing to like continue to do. So I'm doing it with my best friend Allison, and we're doing unlimited, so we try to go as much as possible, but the goal is to go at least 3 times a week, and so far we've done that. One week we went like almost 5 times, but last week it was just too crazy and I wasn't able to make it. I only made it once, so that has been really exciting, and I hope like now that, you know, life is slowing down, knock on wood, that I can continue to do that. So that's everything for today's little chatty catch-up session. I really hope you guys enjoyed catching up with me. I love catching up with y'all, and I wish I didn't have to do it so often. So hopefully, like I said, I get it together, I can start vlogging a little more, I can just get back into the swing of things with YouTube. So I love you guys for being here, for all your happy birthday, well wishes, all the good things y'all said about Olivia. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.